Now we're on to task 10, the last task in your reggae composition, adding in a melody. Now you have a skank and bass riff accompaniment, you can create a melody. Use the notes of the chord in each bar to create a melody. For example, if you've got chord 1 in a bar, use only the notes G, B and D in that bar. In this example, notice that the melody in bar 1, where you've got a chord of G, only uses the notes G, B and D. So I've got a G here, I've got B's here and I've got D's here. In bar 2, where I've got a chord of C major, I'm only using the notes C, E and G. Sticking to the notes of the chord will help to create a nice melody. You can play about with the melody on an instrument or keyboard app to see what notes sound nice together. You can see what rhythms you might want or what order you might want to put the notes in. If you feel confident in creating your own melody and using more than the notes of the triad, you can go ahead and do this. Remember to try to keep the chords you've chosen in mind so that your melody will sound good with your accompaniment. So if you feel confident in using more than the notes of the triad or more than the notes of the chord, you can absolutely go ahead and do this, but there's no requirement for you to do so. You can use any rhythms as long as they add up to 4 beats per bar. And we've got a note values table here just to remind you in case you've forgotten what notes you can use. You're now ready to complete task 10, adding in a melody in class notebook. If you've completed this, you can write it up on Noteflight. Noteflight is a free notation software and works best with a computer or a laptop. So if you've just got a phone that you're using, you don't have to do this because it is a bit tricky. There's not an app for it. So you can go on to this website, www.noteflight.com, and create a free account using your Glow email address. I've linked some videos to help you out as well. Watch this video for help creating your first score. Use this video for help on sharing with your teacher, and a video to help on how to export as a PDF. If you're completing this extension task, you should also upload it to task 10 in class notebook.